What if money stopped being stressful? What if instead of worrying about bills, debt, or your next paycheck, you felt calm, confident, and in control? Financial freedom isn't about being rich. It's about choice. Choice over your time, choice over your energy, choice over your future. Most people believe financial freedom is complicated, reserved for experts, or only possible with a high income. That's not true. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple, proven steps that anyone can use to master their money, no matter how much you earn. These steps don't require luck, advanced math, or risky investments. They require clarity, consistency, and a shift in how you think about money. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap you can start using today. Let's begin. Step 1. Know exactly where your money goes. You cannot control what you do not understand. Most people don't actually know where their money goes each month. They guess, they assume, they hope, and hope is not a financial strategy. If you want to master your money, the first step is awareness. For the next 30 days, track every single dollar you spend. Not just rent and groceries, but coffee, subscriptions, snacks, online purchases, everything. This isn't about judgment, it's about truth. When people finally see their spending written down, 2 things usually happen. 1, they're shocked. 2, they realize change is possible. You don't need fancy apps or spreadsheets. A simple notes app or notebook works just fine. Ask yourself, what did I spend money on? Was it necessary? Did it bring real value to my life? Awareness creates power. Power creates choice. Until you know where your money is going, you'll always feel like it's disappearing. Step 2. Create a simple, realistic budget. A budget isn't a punishment, it's a plan. Most budgets fail because they're unrealistic. They assume perfection. They ignore human behavior. Instead, use a simple structure. Divide your income into 3 basic categories: needs, wants, future you. Your needs include housing, food, utilities, transportation, and basic bills. Your wants include entertainment, dining out, hobbies, and lifestyle extras. Future you includes savings, investing, and debt repayment. A good starting point is 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% future you. But this isn't a rule, it's a guideline. The goal isn't restriction, the goal is intention. When you tell your money where to go, it stops telling you what you can't do. Budgeting isn't about saying no to everything, it's about saying yes to what matters most. Step 3. Eliminate bad debt and build an emergency fund. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to financial freedom. Not all debt is equal. High-interest debt, like credit cards and payday loans, keeps you trapped. Here's the rule. If your debt is growing faster than your income, you're moving backward. Start by listing all your debts: balance, interest rate, minimum payment. Focus on one debt at a time while paying the minimum on the rest. You can choose the snowball method, smallest balance first for motivation, or the avalanche method, highest interest first for math efficiency. Both work. The best one is the one you'll stick to. At the same time, build an emergency fund. Start small. Even $500 can prevent future debt. Eventually, aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. An emergency fund turns financial disasters into inconveniences. Without one, every unexpected expense becomes a crisis. Step 4. Pay yourself first and invest consistently. This is where wealth is built. Most people save whatever is left over, but there's usually nothing left. Instead, pay yourself first. The moment money comes in, save, invest, then spend. Even if it's small, $25, $50, $100, it matters. Consistency beats intensity. Investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. The earlier you start, the harder your money works for you. Think long-term, think boring, think automated. Financial freedom is built quietly, not dramatically. Your future self is depending on the habits you build today. Step 5. Design a life you actually want. Money is a tool, not the goal. Financial freedom means different things to different people. For some, it's working fewer hours, traveling more, spending time with family, creating without pressure. Ask yourself, what does an ideal day look like? What would I do if money wasn't a problem? What am I truly working toward? When your money aligns with your values, motivation becomes automatic. You stop chasing things you don't need. You stop comparing yourself to others. You move with purpose. Money without meaning leads to emptiness. Money with intention creates freedom. Outro and call to action. Mastering your money isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Awareness, planning, discipline, patience, purpose. Start small. Start today. Stay committed. If this video helped you, take a moment to like it. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more simple, practical guidance on money, mindset, and personal growth. And remember, you don't need more money. You need a better relationship with the money you already have. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.